Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Thursday, I know, so you guys are gonna get a double feature this week because we definitely got a video tomorrow coming too, but I had to make a quick little video for the homegirl Keely and her birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Keely. Your parents hit me up and let me know that I could paint a sweet painting for you for your birthday, and they also let me know that you like bats, so let's stick with that and let's paint a bat. All the music's mine. We ain't got no feature artists this week. This is gonna be a little bit of a quicker video, but I'm glad that I found the time to make this happen. Happy birthday, Keely. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, for this one I didn't use oils just because I knew that this was going to be a very quick painting, so I used a little bit smaller of a canvas than I usually use, and I went back to acrylics, and you know what? It was really fun going back to acrylics. I forgot how much I took advantage of the dry times with acrylics because they dry real quick. 5-10 minutes it's dry and I can go ahead and put another layer on. So throughout the process of this bat, I really did it in one sitting, and that also let me know that I am getting a little bit better because of how quick this took. I mean, back in the day, this painting would have took me a day or two to complete before I was happy with it, but getting away from those dry times and all of that, I just sped right through this boy. It was awesome. Something else you might notice is when I was doing the what became a solar eclipse, at first I was going to do a moon in the background, and then I was going to do a sun, and then I thought it would be cool to kind of have it as a solar eclipse because the bat's like, I don't know, this is a story that came up in my head. I was up there like, oh, this bat is waking up thinking that it's nighttime, but it's really a solar eclipse happening, and you know, that was the story of that, I guess. I don't know. I really enjoyed the colors that I used with this. All the red shades with the orangish yellows coming up from behind the moon where the sun is shining through. And also when I did the background, I really enjoyed how the background came out. It, like the strokes that I was using and the layered, the texture that ended up coming out was super sweet. And you might not see it in the video, but Keely, you'll definitely see it. All of the background is done in metallic, so when you see it from different angles, it kind of has a little bit of a shimmer to it, and I really love that. I got the concept or the reference or whatever just from Pinterest, and I saw something like this and I wanted to kind of recreate it. So it's not 100% original idea, but it is 100% original Chuck, and it was 100% made with all the love in the world.
I just wanna say
right, guys, like I said, it's gonna be a short one this week. Thank you so much for the opportunity to learn. Love the whole family behind this painting. I'm pretty sure that they've got a new paint stick on the way for me, which is super exciting. It was kind of less than a commission. It was more of a trades for goods, and I am always down to trade some art for art, and I am excited about that. And I'm also excited that Keely has another piece of Chuck art to hang up in her room. Peace and all the love in the world to that whole family. Love you guys. And peace and all the love in the world to all of you guys that keep coming out for my video. Hope you guys are happy with a double feature this week. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow for some more sweet stuff. Peace, love, guys.